On Palm Sunday, Jesus rode into Jerusalem on a donkey. Your challenge this week is to make a donkey using a plastic bottle. This is the one I made earlier. You will need these items. I've listed them today because the table looks a bit of a jumble. An empty plastic bottle, string or a shoelace, wool, grey if you want to make it look like a donkey, but any funky colour otherwise, a bamboo cane or a stick, white card, felt pen, scissors, ruler, glue and tapes. The first thing you need to do is take your bottle and bend it so that you have a head and a neck shape. Then take the string or the shoelace, tie it round the neck of the bottle, keeping an end loose. Once you've done that, you need to wrap the shoelace round the bend and back to the neck and tie it again so that it stays in the shape you put it. Here's the one I did earlier. Once you've done that, take your white card and on it draw the shapes for the eyes, the nostrils, the ears and a mouth. Colour them in using your felt pens. Then you need to cut them out. Here are mine cut out. Then you need to take either glue dots, double-sided tape or Pritt stick and stick those on to your bottle. Fold the ears under so that you've got something to stick them with. I then used my double-sided tape and put it along the underneath of the ears. That way you can stick them onto your bottle and they will still stand up. Stick those around the place where you've got the tape showing. Do that with both your ears. Then attach the mouth, the eyes and the nostrils. Once you've done that, you're going to be working on the mane for the donkey. To do that, you will take your ruler and whatever colour wool you have chosen. Here's my ruler, here's some wool. I'm going to show you with the coloured wool because it's more visible for you to see. You need to wrap the wool all the way round the length of the ruler, lots and lots of times, because the more you do it, the thicker the mane will be. Here's the one that I've completed. I think this will be thick enough. Carefully take the wool off the ruler. Using another piece of wool, tie round the top, leaving a little loop at the top. This then will be your mane. Cut it through at the bottom. Now you're going to attach it to the bottle. Take some double-sided tape and put it between the ears and down the neck of the bottle. Take the topping off to reveal the tape. Then you're going to use that to hold the mane in place. You need to put the looped end by the tie into the neck of the bottle and then take the mane over the top between the ears using the double-sided tape to hold it where you want it. If your mane is too long, simply trim the ends. Luckily, they didn't have lockdown that prevented the donkeys having a haircut. Then attach your eyes, your nostrils, and the mouth, so that you have a donkey. I used glue dots on mine to hold them in place. The last thing you need to do is attach your stick. To do this, you may find that you need to wrap some of the card trimmings from your white card round the top of the stick. That will depend on how fat your stick is compared to the bottle. I then used some sellotape to hold it in place so that it doesn't get dislodged when you put it in the neck of the bottle. The wool helps to pad out the neck. Put your stick into the bottle, pushing against the wool of the mane. So when it's in place, you can then use some sellotape initially just to hold it, and then take some stronger tape, the strongest you have in the house, and use that to give the final hold to your stick. And then you have a donkey on which Jesus can ride into Jerusalem. Have fun and make sure that you send your final products through to Matt, the pictures. Enjoy!